We're about to embark on the coolest fall adventure ever.
You got it, Leo! Once upon a time, in a groovy fall season,
The leaves on the trees turned into a kaleidoscope of colors.
they were as red as a sports car, as warm as the sunset, and as yellow as sunshine.
Kids from the neighborhood gathered to create a leaf pile party.
They bounced into the pile with flips, spins, and dance moves that made everyone groove.
Out of the shadows, our cool friends arrived with style.
Squirrels perform hardcore moves while rabbits hop over giant pumpkins like they were skateboard ramps.
It was time for the ultimate harvest jam, and farmers joined in with zest.
They tossed apples like they were basketballs and played corn-cob javelin, making it the coolest harvest ever.
The fall festival transformed into